Replacing the coolant in your Mercedes E63 is essential for maintaining engine performance and preventing overheating. At Mactec Garage, our expert technicians follow a precise process to drain the old coolant, flush the system, and refill it with fresh fluid to keep your engine running smoothly. We take you through each step, ensuring a thorough and efficient coolant replacement. Whether you're performing routine maintenance or addressing cooling system issues, this guide will help you keep your E63 in top condition.